Let's keep it real estate. If you have been posting YouTube videos as a real estate agent, but you are not converting views into leads, my friend, it's not you, it's your video type. But don't worry, I got you. I'm going to share with you the 5 specific real estate video types you need to be creating in order to attract inbound leads from your content. So if you are ready to become that real estate agent on YouTube, then keep on watching. Before we get into it, I need you to understand something most agents skip right past. YouTube is not an overnight lead source. I wish it was, but it truly is a long game, and most agents do not have the patience for that because they simply do not understand how content actually compounds. Compounding does not mean posting more, it means posting the right videos so that every video you publish keeps working long after you hit post. This is why YouTube is so powerful. Now think of it this way. Every time you create a video, you are essentially cloning yourself. And that means you are prospecting 24/7, 365. Now, when you post the right video types, this creates massive leverage of your time compared to picking up the phone or doing open houses because those activities require your active hours. With YouTube, you create the video once and it just keeps on working for you. And the reason these 5 specific video types get leads is because your next client is already searching for those answers to these questions. Now, if you film a video that solves a problem or answers a question your prospect client already has, you stop chasing that lead and in turn start attracting them like bees to honey. That's it. Once again, I'm sharing with you the 5 video types or really categories or pillar buckets of content that you need to be creating, which means that there are multiple videos inside each category, which means by the end of this video, you are walking away with not just 5 video ideas, but an entire content system. So get ready to take screenshots. Let's start with category number 1. We have city local lifestyle tours. Now, this is great because, well, this is just easy content to make because you know your city best. The first one is going to be something a little different. It's kind of like, insider information, hidden gems, 5 spots in your city even locals don't know about. This isn't exactly real estate focused, but is a great way to generate good SEO, so search engine optimization, and to attract newer viewers to your channel. And it just so happens to be that you are a real estate agent, so you never know, you might find someone that is looking to buy or sell or even looking to relocate to your specific city. The next one is also similar to this first idea, which is everybody loves food. Okay, we love food, foodie life. So if you can create a video about the best eats in your city, you got clients. The next one is top schools in a specific neighborhood, and this is great for the demographic of people who are perhaps starting families or want to start a family and they want to move to a specific area with good schools so that they can raise their families there. So get ready, take a screenshot. 3, 2, 1. Next category. Next we have neighborhood spotlights. So the first one is going to be top 5 communities to live in your city based on the year. This is a great way to spotlight and highlight 5 specific communities, especially the communities that you want to sell in. This is a great video to showcase that. So you can show things like, again, the schools, the different amenities, different lifestyle options. So, it might be a country club, it might be a lakefront, best schools, boat dock, I don't know. You got to make that video, which is why they need to move there. The second one is going to be just a specific video based on one community. So an interesting thing you could do here is essentially by doing these 2 videos or these concepts, you could in turn have a total of 6 videos because you are going to highlight 5 communities here, but then after that, you can create an individual video for each community. You get what I'm saying? 5, 6 videos all together. And the last one here is a little bit of a different one. If you are in a new construction area, new development, this is a great video to do as well. And I say virtual tour here because in my mind, if I were to film this video, I would literally pull up a Google map and then showcase the different areas there. And then if you have the availability to do so, go to the actual development and take B-roll of the actual lots. And that way you can put them on top of your talking head here. So this is a great video to do as well. So get ready, take a screenshot, 3, 2, 1. Okay, moving on. Video number 3. We are going through this really fast. Neighborhood comparisons. Okay, this is a great one to do. The first one is going to be pros and cons of living in your city. So this is, you see a lot of real estate agents do this a lot. So again, pros and cons of living in your city, or pros and cons of living in a specific neighborhood, okay? And the next one is going to be really a head-to-head match. So in this case here in Calgary, we have Mahogany and Auburn Bay, two different communities, very popular. If you can make a video that puts these communities head-to-head, that's great. But either way, you're gonna win, because if someone who watches this, they're either going to buy in Mahogany or buy in Auburn Bay. So you still get a client either which way. So there is that video. Take a screenshot. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Moving on to category number 4. This is going to be relocation comparisons. So in this case, it's going to be a city versus city. So Calgary versus Edmonton. Which city should you move to? So this is going to be the cities within the same province, if you will. The next one we have here is going to be, is this city a good place to invest in real estate? So this is a little bit of a different angle if you are looking for investors, if you will, or looking for people who want to purchase a vacation home in your market, if you are that type of market. So that's another great video to do as well. And lastly, we're moving on to category number 5, which is why move to your city. And these videos are evergreen in the fact that they're not typically tied to rates or analytical market trends or market updates, but these are really the videos you want to start with, especially if you are a new channel or you want to revamp your channel and you need eyes on your content. So the first one is going to be simple. It's the cost of living in your city. You're going to do obviously a breakdown of housing, groceries, utilities. Really, how much does it cost for you to live in the city if you were, a single person, if you are a student, if you are, a young new couple, different categories, if you will. So you can spin off this video in many different ways based on the demographic you want to serve. Now, the next one is going to be something a little bit different. It's going to be the 5 reasons not to move to your city. But it obviously is going to keep it real estate. It's going to discuss the challenges of your city, because honestly, every city is meant for a specific type of person, right? And so that's just a way to spin off the other angle of the video. You might often see people say 5 reasons to move to a specific city, but this is going to be kind of the negative end of it, but not totally negative. It's just the fact that it sounds negative, it's just going to make people click, but it's going to be a positive video. So I hope you understand what I mean by that. Now, lastly, we have moving to city name, 5 things you need to know. So basically, these are essentially the same videos, but you can see that they are packaged differently. They are packaged differently because the thumbnail is different and the titles are different. But honestly, the video concept is pretty much the same. You are just showcasing and highlighting your specific marketplace. Now, just to let you know, I have to put this plug in. All of these thumbnails that you see are obviously mock-ups, but when you partner with me at EXP, you get access to all of my templates. So I just want to show you something really quickly here. If you made it to the end, let me know, comment down below, and crew, because I'm showing you the good stuff. So if you go to my website, laressangoeun.com, you see this button in this corner? It's my template vault. So if you partner with me at EXP, I give you free access to my template vault. And I just want to show you what those thumbnails look like, because I have a specific category of YouTube templates I have in 5 different colors. But any which way, let's go all the way to the end here. Because if you partner with me, you get access to my YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube intro, and YouTube CTA overlays. I basically do all the homework for you. You just got to partner with me, you get access to my vault, and you do the work, and you are that real estate agent on YouTube. But if we are not there yet, I have something else for you. You can also download my spreadsheet of essential videos every real estate agent needs to make. So if you scan this QR code here, you can get access to this spreadsheet. Again, it contains like different variations of titles, the video concept, the descriptions, everything you need in order to have a successful real estate agent channel. And I will also be sure to link this in the description box down below. So get your hands on it. It's a hot cheat sheet. You're welcome. Now you know the 5 YouTube video types every real estate agent needs to be making in order to attract inbound leads. But knowing what videos to make is not the same as knowing how to plan and package the video well. And that's where most agents get stuck because they don't have a proper operating system for their content. So if you want to learn how to plan your videos with Claude and Notion, check out this video next. And if you're ready, get ready to click in 3, 2, 1.